Do-it-yourself maintenance. 393. The recommended cold tire tie-in pressure and tire size are displayed on the tire and loading information label. 471. 394-3. Do-it-yourself maintenance. Tire valve. Tire pressure gauge. Remove the tire valve cap. Press the tip of the tire pressure gauge onto the tire valve. Read the pressure using the gauge gradations. If the tire inflation pressure is not at the recommended level, adjust the pressure. If you add too much air, press the center of the valve to deflate. After completing the tire inflation pressure measurement and adjustment, apply soapy water to the valve and check for leakage. Put the tire valve cap back on. Tire inflation pressure check interval. You should check tire inflation pressure every 2 weeks, or at least once a month. Do not forget to check the spare. Effects of incorrect tire inflation pressure. Driving with incorrect tire inflation pressure may result in the following: reduced fuel economy, reduced driving comfort and poor handling, reduced tire life due to wear, reduced safety, damage to the drivetrain. If a tire needs frequent inflating, have it checked by your Toyota dealer. 7-3 Do-it-yourself maintenance. 395. Instructions for checking tire inflation pressure. When checking tire inflation pressure, observe the following. Check only when the tires are cold. If your vehicle has been parked for at least 3 hours or has not been driven for more than 1 mile or 1.5 kilometers, you will get an accurate cold tire inflation pressure reading. Always use a tire pressure gauge. It is difficult to judge if a tire is properly inflated based only on its appearance. It is normal for the tire inflation pressure to be higher after driving as heat is generated in the tire. Do not reduce tire inflation pressure after driving. Never exceed the vehicle capacity weight. Passengers and luggage weight should be placed so that the vehicle is balanced. 396-3. Do-it-yourself maintenance. When replacing wheels, care should be taken to ensure that they are equivalent to those removed in load capacity, diameter, rim width and inset star. Replacement wheels are available at your Toyota dealer. Asterisk, conventionally referred to as offset. Toyota does not recommend using the following: wheels of different sizes or types, used wheels, bent wheels that have been straightened. Use only Toyota wheel nuts and wrenches designed for use with your aluminum wheels. When rotating, repairing or changing your tires, check that the wheel nuts are still tight after driving 1000 miles km. Be careful not to damage the aluminum wheels when using tire chains. Use only Toyota genuine balance weights or equivalent and a plastic or rubber hammer when balancing your wheels. When replacing wheels, the wheels of your vehicle are equipped with tire pressure warning valves and transmitters that allow the tire pressure warning system to provide advance warning in the event of a loss in tire inflation pressure. Whenever wheels are replaced, tire pressure warning valves and transmitters must be installed. 379. 7-3 Do-it-yourself maintenance. 397. Warning. When replacing wheels, do not use wheels that are a different size from those recommended in the owner's manual, as this may result in a loss of handling control. Never use an inner tube in a leaking wheel which is designed for a tubeless tire. Doing so may result in an accident, causing death or serious injury. When installing the wheel nuts, be sure to install the wheel nuts with the tapered ends facing inward. Installing the nuts with the tapered ends facing outward can cause the wheel to break and eventually cause the wheel to come off while driving, which could lead to an accident resulting in death or serious injury. Never use oil or grease on the wheel bolts or wheel nuts. Oil and grease may cause the wheel nuts to be excessively tightened, leading to bolt or disc wheel damage. In addition, the oil or grease can cause the wheel nuts to loosen and the wheel may fall off, causing an accident and resulting in death or serious injury. Remove any oil or grease from the wheel bolts or wheel nuts. Use of defective wheels prohibited. Do not use cracked or deformed wheels. Doing so could cause the tire to leak air during driving, possibly causing an accident. 398-3. Do-it-yourself maintenance. Turn the power switch off. Open the glove box. Slide off the damper. Push the surface on the left side of the glove box inward, undo the upper left claw, then push the surface on the right side of the glove box inward and undo the upper right claw. Lower the glove box from the completely open position, undo the lower claws, and then remove the glove box. 7-3, do-it-yourself maintenance. 399. Remove the filter cover. Remove the air conditioning filter and replace it with a new one. The up marks shown on the filter should be pointing up. Checking interval. Inspect and replace the air conditioning filter according to the maintenance schedule. In dusty areas or areas with heavy traffic flow, early replacement may be required. For scheduled maintenance information, please refer to the Schedule Maintenance Guide or Owner's Manual supplement. If air flow from the vents decreases dramatically, the filter may be clogged. Check the filter and replace if necessary. 400-3. Do-it-yourself maintenance. Flathead screwdriver. Small flathead screwdriver. Lithium battery CR 2032. 1. Take out the mechanical key. 129. Remove the cover. To prevent damage to the key, cover the tip of the flathead screwdriver with a rag. Remove the depleted battery. Insert a new battery with the plus terminal facing up. 7-3, do-it-yourself maintenance. 401. Use a CR 2032 lithium battery. Batteries can be purchased at your Toyota dealer, local electrical appliance shops or camera stores. Replace only with the same or equivalent type recommended by the manufacturer. Dispose of used batteries according to local laws. If the electronic key battery is depleted, the following symptoms may occur. The smart key system and wireless remote control will not function properly. The operational range will be reduced. 402-3. Do-it-yourself maintenance. Turn the power switch off. Open the fuse box cover. Motor compartment. Push the tab in and lift the lid off. Driver's side instrument panel, remove the lid. Remove the fuse with the pull-out tool. Only Type A fuses can be removed using the pull-out tool. 7-3, do-it-yourself maintenance. 403. Check if the fuse is blown. Normal fuse, blown fuse. Replace the blown fuse with a new fuse of an appropriate amperage ing. The amperage rating can be found on the fuse box lid. Type A, Type B. Type C, Type D. 404-3. Do-it-yourself maintenance. After a fuse is replaced. If the lights do not turn on even after the fuse has been replaced, a bulb may need replacement. 405. If the replaced fuse blows again, have the vehicle inspected by your Toyota dealer. If there is an overload in a circuit, the fuses are designed to blow, protecting the wiring harness from damage. 7-3, do-it-yourself maintenance. 405. LED light bulbs. The following lights consist of a number of LEDs. If any of the LEDs burn out, take your vehicle to your Toyota dealer to have the light replaced. Headlight low beams. Headlight high beams. Parking lights and daytime running lights. Front side marker lights. Front turn signal lights. Side turn signal lights. Tail lights. Stop lights. Rear side marker lights. Rear turn signal lights. High-mounted stop lights. License plate lights. Backup lights. Condensation buildup on the inside of the lens. Temporary condensation buildup on the inside of the headlight lens does not indicate a malfunction. Contact your Toyota dealer for more information in the following situations. Large drops of water have built up on the inside of the lens. Water has built up in